Morning everybody. So we are doing the exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5. Question number 6. We did till question number 5. Look at the question number 6 now. Write the place value of 2 in the following decimal number. Write the place value of the following decimal numbers. The first one is 2.56. It's given. Therefore, the place value of 2. What is the place value of 2 here? Yeah, the 2 is in the whole number now. It's ones, tens, hundreds. It will go like that. So the place value of 2 is what? 1. So therefore 2 into 1, which is equal to 2 here. Which is equal to 2 here. Am I right? Yeah. Look at the second part of the question number 5. 6. 21.37. So it is in the ones place. It is in the tens place. The place value of 2 is in the tens place. So therefore place value of 2 is 2 into 10, which is equal to 20 here. Which is equal to 20 here. Then the place value of 2 in the decimal number 10.25. 10.25. Now tell me the place value of 2 now. That after decimal value, after decimal point, yes. That is tenths and hundredths and goes on. So 2 into 1 by 10, which is equal to 2 by 10, which is equal to 0.2. Which is equal to 0.2. Shall we move to the next question then? Yeah. The next question is 9.42 in the given. 9.42. Therefore, the place value of 2 is, the 2 is in the hundredths place. That value of 2 is in the hundredths place. So 1 by 100, which is equal to 1 into 2 is 2. So 2 by 100, you can connect 2 decimal places. So 0.02. 0.0. Am I right here? Yeah. And the last part of the question is 63.352. 63.352. The place value of 2 is 2 into tenths, hundredths, thousands. So 1 by 1000, which is equal to 2 by 1000. So you have to correct 3 decimal places in the numerator. So 0.002 here. 0.002 here. Am I right? Yeah. Now come to the question number 7 now. Look at the question number 7. Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. That is, he started from A and then he goes to B and then from B he goes to C. Okay. Now A is 75 km from B and B is 12.7 km from C. Ayub went from place A to place D and from there. So it's like a rhombus, it's given to you. A, B, C, D, A to B 7.5 km and then B to C 12.7 km and then C to D 11.8 km and then D to A is 9.3 km. Now the question is, Ayub went from place A to D. Ayush, he went from place A to D and from there to place C here. Okay. And then after that another one Dinesh and Ayub. Am I right? Yeah. Dinesh, that is distance travelled by Dinesh from A to C. Distance travelled by Dinesh. So he starts from A and he wants to reach C. That means, so he goes from A to B and then from B to C. That is AB plus BC. AB plus BC. So AB is nothing but 7.5 km and then BC is nothing but 12.7 km. So this is the distance travelled by Dinesh from A to B and then from B to C. Okay. He is starting from A. He wants to reach C. Now 7.5 plus 12.7. 7.5 plus 12.7. Now adding these two. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry over 1 here. 7 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10, carry over 1, 20.2 kilometer. 20.2 2 kilometer. Am I right here? Yeah. And then another one, who is that? Ayub, I think so. Yeah, Ayub. The distance traveled by Ayub. Distance traveled by Ayub. Ayub. So he starts from A, reaches B, and then from D to C. That is A to D, and then from D to C. Am I right here? Here AD is what? 9.3 kilometer, and then from D to C is 11.8 kilometer. Now adding these two, that is 11.8, 9.3. Okay, so 9.3. See, you have to write the decimal part carefully. 9. Here it is a ones, here it is ones. Okay, instead of 11.8, 9.3, if you are writing 9.3 here, then it is wrong. It will be 90. Am I right here? Then it will be wrong. So listen carefully. So 11.8 here, this is 9.3. So you have to write 9 in the ones place here, 9.3 in the tenths place here. Now adding these two, 8 plus 3 is 11, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, carry over 1, so 21.1 kilometer. Now who distance traveled more? Okay, who traveled more distance? Now which one is greater now? 20.2, 21.1. Now compare these two decimal numbers. Here look at the whole number first. 20, 21. 20 and 21. Which one is the greatest whole number? 21. So you can write. So this is the distance traveled by whom? Dinesh. This is the distance traveled by Ayub. Am I right? So who traveled more distance? Yeah, Ayub. Dinesh traveled more distance. Dinesh traveled more distance. Am I right here? So we completed the question number 7. Then in the next video we will discuss the solution for the question number 8 and 9. Thank you everybody. Thank you.